Good morning, all of you. Our today's topic is Chapter 4 Retirement of Partner. And in Retirement of Partner, today I am going to explain you about calculation of gaining ratio. So, the first method of calculation of gaining ratio is simple formula. No, mu minus old. So gaining is new minus old, but in retirement and death, there are three methods to calculate gaining ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So first of all is, I am giving you the example, A, B, C are partners. If you want to note down, you can note down A, B, C are partners and A retires. A, B, C are partners, A retires. Simple language. What will be their gaining ratio and new profit sharing ratio? See, don't think this is incomplete question or incomplete information. It is complete question. See, the old ratio is not given. If OR is not given, it is clearly that it should be equal. So when the old partner share is equal, 1:1:1. Okay. Then what to do next? A retires. Simple. Who are the remaining partners? Yes, my dear children. B and C are the remaining. Now, so in this case, here just keep the hand who is going out. So keep the hand who is going out. Remaining are B and C. And what is their ratio? 1:1. 1:1. That is their NPR as well as that is their GR. This is their NPR as well as this is their GR, means gaining ratio. See, my dear children, it's very easy to calculate new ratio and gaining ratio in the first method. This is the first method, new minus old, new ratio not given, as well as old ratio also not given. What to do now? Just see, according to Indian Partnership Act 1932, Section 4, it is clearly given if the ratio is not there, that will be equal. So here 1:1:1, this is 1. Now B and C, that is NPR and GR also. So in this type of question, you have to put the N who is outgoing. Yesterday I told you that the retired partner is also known as outgoing. Okay, children. So here, no need to calculate gaining ratio. Even if you want to calculate, it's very easy by this formula. Okay. Now I will show you why in this case, new ratio and gaining ratio is equal. Come to the derivation. Gaining ratio is equals to new minus old. First we calculate B's ratio. B's new ratio is 1/2 and old ratio is 1/3. That is 6. B minus 2 that is 1 by 6. Now who is the another one who is remaining partner here? Yes. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, that is 6. 3 minus 2, 1 by 6. 1 is to 1 is the ratio. That's why it is clearly says that if that question will come in MCQ, what is the gaining ratio in that case? So it will be equal 1 is to 1. Or you can come to the conclusion that in the first condition here, new ratio and gaining ratio will be same. I explain you to this mode. Now I am giving you one question, my dear children. Note down X, Y, Z are partners for 3, 2, 1. X, Y, Z are partners for 3, 2, 1. Now Y retires. Who is retiring partner here? Y. Who are the remaining partners? X and Z. Now see how to do it. The person who is going outgoing, okay, remaining are X and Z, simply their share is. Now this is their new ratio, NPR, and this is GR also. As I explained you can check it by this way. I'm sure you must understood what I am teaching you today. Gaining ratio by first method. First method means only the old share given. Nothing else. This is the first method. See here, 3, 2, 1 was their share and Y is going to that. Who are the remaining partners? X and Z. What will be their new ratio? Is to 1. Is to 1 will be their gaining ratio as well. Okay. Now, note down one more question. I am going to explain you. Repeat it. See. Look at the board. Case 1. When relative ratio between remaining partners unchanged. This is the case 1. When relative ratio between remaining partners unchanged. Earlier it was 1, 1, 1. Now he retires. Remaining partners are B and C. And their ratio is also not going to change. In this case, the gaining ratio and new ratio will be same. See the case 1. Relative ratio between remaining partners unchanged. If the continuing partners maintain their relative ratio, the gaining ratio and the new ratio will be the same. This question may come in MCQ, may come in fill in the blank. Gaining ratio and new ratio will be same, and in this case, there is no need to calculate gaining ratio because new ratio and gaining ratio will be same. Now I am giving you the question. Note down, children. X, Y, Z are partners in the ratio of 1 by 2, 3 by 10, 1 by 5. Calculate new ratio and sacrifice ratio if X returns. See, my dear children, in this case, old ratio should be simplified. How the old ratio will be simplified? By making the denominator common. Now, new ratio and sacrifice ratio. X, Y, Z, 5, 3, 2. Now, X retires. See, in this case, this partner retires. Remove it. Remove him. 5 ratio will not be there now because X is going to retire. Now the remaining partners will share their profit in 3:2. And how to calculate gaining ratio now? No, new minus old. Okay, do it. In this type of problem, there is no need to calculate gaining ratio. Yes. Now I am going to explain you the same question. See, in a very easy way. X, Y, Z. And the ratio is 1 by 2, 3 by 10, 1 by 1. Yes, this is the question on your screen. 1 by 2, 3 by 10, 1 by 5. Now what to do? Take the LCM and make the denominator common. Divided by 2, 5, 3, 2. So now their ratio is 5, 3, 2. Now this question will be simple for you. 5, 3, 2. Here X is outgoing partner. X is outgoing partner. Who are the remaining partner then? Y and Z. Y and Z. What will be their ratio? 3:2. That is their LPR. Now, how you can prove that this will be same as gaining ratio? So gaining ratio is equals to new minus old. Y is equals to new share is 3 by 5. Old is 3 by 10. Now take the LCM minus 3, that is 3 by 10. Now take for Z. Yes, now I will ask you. What is the old ratio of Z? Yes, 2 by 10. What is the new ratio of Z? 2 by 5. New ratio is 2 by 5. Old ratio is by 10, 4 minus 2, see again 3 is to 2. So it is proved that in case of first method, old ratio given, one partner is outgoing, then new ratio and gaining ratio will be same. You can see the slide and see gaining ratio will be equal to new ratio, and in this type there is no need to calculate gaining ratio. So children, if you want to see this question on screen, you can see X, Y, Z are partners for 1 by 2, 3 by 10, 1 by 5. We cannot solve it from here. First, what we have to do, make the denominator common. Then the denominator common is 5, 3, 2. Now X is going to retire. See the outgoing partner share you will keep by this way. The remaining partner will be 3:2. Their ratio will be 3:2. Now how to calculate gaining ratio? See, there is no need to calculate gaining ratio while this question will come in MCQ. This is the method for time saving. But if that question will be of more marks, you can calculate by this way: n minus 4, u minus 4, that will be 3:2. Okay, got it? So what is the conclusion of today's topic? See, this is the first method when only old partners share and outgoing partners name given, nothing else. Then in that case, we have to calculate by putting our hand who is going out, and in that case, old share will be new ratio as well as it will be gaining ratio. Okay, now I am giving you the question. Please note down. Yes. A, B, C, D are partners. A, B, C, D are partners for 50%, 30%, 20%, 50%, 20%, 20%, and 10%. Now B is retiring partner. B is retiring partner. What will be their new ratio and gaining ratio? First of all, if the question is given in percentage, don't worry. Make them in a simple 5 is 1. Now who is retiring? B. Who are the remaining partner? A. 5. This is their new ratio. This is their gaining ratio. Okay. 6. 5. Clear? I'm sure you must understand.